In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear RAM on iPhone. If you are looking to speed up your device, then one of the way is to clear the RAM that is being used. In order to clear the RAM on iPhone, first open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Accessibility. Tap Touch. Now tap Assistive Touch and toggle on Assistive Touch. Now under Settings, tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Shutdown. When the shutdown option appears on screen, tap the virtual home button on the screen. iPhone's RAM will be cleared and you will have to enter your iPhone's passcode. Doing this, you will experience boost in iPhone's performance. So that is how you can clear RAM on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.